Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and today I'm going to share an easy way to make some embellishments. And so this is my take on the I Was Oh So Inspired collaboration for March. The inspiration piece was, I think it was a card that was with butterflies. So I thought that I would use my favorite ones. These are just kind of stackable butterflies. There's a lot of companies that do them. I think these ones are Doris. But anyway, I really like them a lot. It's all the way from this teeny tiny size all the way up to quite a good size. And I'm also using this die, which is my new favorite die from La La Land Crafts. But I mean, you could use whatever you have. You could put two circles together and create your own little kind of circle and put your own little hearts there. You could use a scalloped punch. I mean, you can use whatever you want to get a similar look. It doesn't have to be exactly the way that I'm going to be sharing. And then I'm using the gold Glitterific. If you don't have Glitterific, I mean, you could spray it. This is the sheer shimmer spray. You could use glue and then just pour some glitter on it. You can use my other favorite thing in the whole wide world, which is stickles. So the idea really is, because I am working on another collab, which is my scrap bin collab. So I did share in my last scrap bin video kind of this, it's like a magazine file folder that I have sitting on my desk. And it wasn't intended to just be filled with junk. It was supposed to just have a few like 6x6 paper pads and maybe a larger sheets of paper that I'm kind of working with, but it ended up being kind of a catch-all. And so I'm trying to reach in there and kind of shrink that down. But I'm going to be making these embellishments. And so these are rosettes. Very simple rosettes. And what I did with the back is I just punched out a circle to put on the back so that it's easy to adhere to a project. And also give a little stability, since I'm going to be piling, glitter on it and some other stuff on it. And, the crepe paper isn't super sturdy, and that just kind of gives it a little extra stability. And so to make these are very, very simple. Here is a rosette, and I just staple it. And so if you don't know how to make a rosette, you just take your crepe paper, and all I do is just kind of pleat it and pinch it as I go around in kind of a circle. And depending on how tight you make your pleats, that's kind of will give you the kind of look that you want. And if you want, you could even go around twice and make it a fluffier rosette, but it's super simple. Once you go around once or twice, then I just staple the middle is what I do. So super simple and easy to make a rosette. And then to decorate, it's also very, very simple. So for the Glitterific, I usually have a foam brush, but I don't have any handy because I just kind of want to, honestly, throw it away when I'm done, because the glitter just doesn't do a regular brush very well. So I smear some on this paper towel. I smear, I can't really see it off camera here. I'm going to smear some on this paper towel, and all I'm going to do is kind of smush this around, because just smear it around. And like I said, I usually use a foam brush, but this is a quick and easy way, because, I mean, it doesn't matter, right? So got that on there. And all right, so got my Glitterific on there. And then all I do is glue down my embellishments. And so I'm just using my art glitter glue, whatever glue that you have handy. And I just kind of run it in my glue through. And so these are really simple. I mean, you could do, whatever you want. But I wanted it to be inspired by butterflies for the I Was Oh So Inspired. I think it's hosted by Call Me Crafty owl. And just something fun to do. And so then I just kind of build my butterfly. And so the green glitter paper I actually just bought off of the clearance bin from Stampin' Up. And then this blue paper is one that I've had in my stash. I want to say it's Stampin' Up paper as well. I've had it for quite a while. And then just build your butterfly. And then the patterned piece is from my scrap bin. And a little glitter there. And so there you go. And then I mean, you don't need to do this, but I do, since I was going all in with glitter, I went ahead and glittered that up because I just happen to have the perfect color of the stickles for that one. And so this is kind of what it looks like, and let it dry. And once it dries, it's a lot sturdier because of the glue and everything. It does make it a little bit stiffer, so it's easy to put on a project. So you can go ahead and put that as an embellishment on a card or as a topper or whatever you need for Happy Mail. And so that is my quick and easy project for the I Was Oh So Inspired collab. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.